Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video, probably maybe you are actually new to this channel. So, in this channel, there are a lot of things that you'll be able to benefit from this channel. So, maybe in case maybe you are a freelancer, digital marketer, or you are into anything that actually maybe you want to make money online. So, definitely, that's what this channel is all about. Then in this video I'm actually trying to make some different episodes on how you can start a YouTube channel in Nigeria. So in this actual episode I'm trying to make a video on how you can pick up a niche that you definitely or maybe you want to start using trying to start from as a YouTuber. So yeah, you all understand that, or I should say, I understand that there are a lot of people who are actually searching for a way on how they can start a YouTube in Nigeria. So here in this video, I'll be trying all my possible best to walk you through how you can start a YouTube or how you can be a YouTuber or a vlogger here in Nigeria. So there are different type of niches in which I believe different type of people can actually do or, or services that you can actually render on YouTube, because we all have like hundreds of niches. Here then we have fitness, food, the tech, programming, all that stuff. And I don't actually know the kind of skill you have, because I don't know the limit of people that this video will be reaching. So, and I don't know the current skill that you have. But of course, in case you already have a skill that you believe that you'll be able to render, so definitely there won't be much stress for you. And if at all you think that you don't have much idea or skill on kind of services that you believe that you want to render on YouTube, so that you'll be able to produce quality video, so maybe I should give you some ideas or some pain points on how you can pick up a video idea. So I'll just advise you to just go into YouTube, then think about what comes to your mind or what's the thing that people will definitely be willing to watch. So from there you'll be able to pick up a need. You can go to weight loss, you can go to food, you can go to fitness, you can go to how to sport, what um, comedy, anything that you think, anything that you think that you'll be able to render to or be of help to people. So you can just research and get that one done by yourself, because with what I just made mention now, so definitely you should be able to see one or two skills to pinch out from there. But if you think you haven't seen anyone or you haven't heard anyone that any of the skill that you think that you can do, I'm very sure you might have enough experience on how to use YouTube. So just do your research and check on videos. There are various videos that you can actually check. So check on various videos and see the one that you believe that you can definitely do, or watch various of videos and see that okay, fine, this kind of skill I think I can do it. Or maybe you are afraid of showing your face on the YouTube. So there are different niche. There are other things that you can do without showing your face, just your voice. Or if you think that you still don't want to, or you don't want to use your voice, so there are different type of software that you can actually use to translate or just write your script, then distribute it outside, like then convert it so you'll be able to get a voice to your video. And if you don't want to show your face, so of course you can do some screen record to see or to produce a quality video that people will definitely want to watch. So that's that. And then on this episode, like I said, so we are just trying to pick up a niche in which we will be getting started from. And also, don't forget that I'll be showing you or walking you through the whole process on how you can set up a professional YouTube channel. So here is just for you to pick up a niche, think and come up with your idea on what you actually want to do. Then after that, try to get your Gmail that you think that you want to be using for your YouTube blogging. Then after getting your Gmail, use it to sign up on YouTube. But of course, that will be what I will be definitely be walking you through. So on this episode, it's just for you to pick up a niche that you think that you'll be able to render successfully without you stressing yourself or being born out of idea later on once you think that you have get started on YouTube. Like 2 to 3 months, you don't have idea of how you can produce a particular video. So just make sure that you pick up a skill that you believe that, okay, this week I'll be able to provide 3 to 5 videos, or a video every day, or 5 or 7 videos per month. It just depends on how you want to plan your channel. So it depends, that one depends on you. But I believe that if you are uploading more consistently, so definitely you will be much friendly to it and know the kind of video that you will be producing, maybe every day, every 2 days, or every week, like I just mentioned. So just be yourself. Don't go into what you think that people are actually doing and you want to do it. Then once you try to set up a channel around it, you won't be able to get that done again. And also, pinching a name or choosing a name for the channel is also important. You know, you need to make sure that you are choosing a name that will definitely represent, because this name will definitely represent your channel. So you need to choose a name that will be perfect for the particular niche that you want to do. So you need to know the kind of name that you want to choose for your niche. So just check on your competitors, check on people that are actually offering this kind of service already. So use their own idea to come up with your own name. And if you think that the name doesn't sound like something meaningful or something like a personal name, just like your own now, so something like a personal name, maybe you want to use your name as well, that's not a bad idea. Then it just depends on what you're actually doing. So if you think that you just want to use a random name that will befit your the kind of skill that you're offering, so definitely that will be very great. So just check on your competitors, then see what they are doing differently, see some kind of word that they use on their channel name, so you can just replicate that. Or if you think that you don't like any of the one that you have seen, so just come up with your own idea, then come up with your channel name that will definitely represent your channel, and from there you'll be able to get started. So on the next episode, we'll be moving on to how to set up your whole channel, like choosing a name, because I'll be choosing a name on that channel too, because I'll be creating a fresh YouTube channel account so that you'll be able to understand what are the information I'm trying to pass through. So I'll be choosing a name for the channel, then maybe then I'll set up a Gmail. I've set up a Gmail already, so I'll pick up a name, then set up a YouTube channel, do some art cover, YouTube channel art, sorry, then some other stuff. So I don't know the main point that I'll be able to reach out within. But I'll just trying to make everything short and well perfect, so that you'll be able to understand, or you won't get stuck in the whole process. So see you in the next episode. Thank you.